Hello, my name is Adrian Carlos Quipe Custodio. I was born on January 14, 2003, in Lima, Peru. My entire family is from Lima. We are four people: my dad, my mom, my sister, and me. I am the oldest brother. I am studying civil engineering. My favorite course is pavement engineering. I work as a civil engineer at the Peruvian College of Engineers for entities such as the municipalities of Chancay and Callao. I like to play soccer with my friends and play video games. I am taking the high beginner course because it's a requirement the university asks of me to finish my degree and because it's also want to learn English.